What's up guys, it's Justin here, and today I've got a quick unboxing of the new iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. I also did an unboxing of the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, checking out the new Desert Titanium color. But today, we've got the colorful iPhones, and as always, if you enjoy the iPhone unboxings and content as soon as it comes out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions of these devices, as well as any thoughts and opinions, and whether or not you will be going ahead and upgrading. But the device that actually got a lot of good updates that made it a better value and brought over a lot of the good features that came from the 15 Pro line is the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. And between the color years of vibrant, sharp, and pastel, we've gone back to nice and bright. And these two iPhones are ones where when I saw images of it at first, I was like, they are very colorful and I actually really like it. And so here we have in front of us the Ultramarine Blue as well as pink. And my favorite one of this lineup is the Ultramarine Blue. So let's just jump right into the unboxing. So here we have the smaller iPhone 16, and this is really the perfect size for a lot of people. Not too large, easy to hold, really good battery life, and it has the new camera that is 48 megapixels. And this phone, of course, is also part of Apple's AI era, and so we're going to have to wait and see how the AI features work on these devices, and so look out for a follow-up video of that. But after you take off the paper tabs, we open up the phone here, and I mean, the blue looks incredible. It's very sharp, it's a strong blue, but it looks beautiful. It has a nice glow to it next to the camera elements here. But yeah, inside the box, you have the charging cable, USB-C to C, and these devices are also capable of faster 45-watt wired charging and up to 25 watts via MagSafe. But taking a look at the back here, you can have a look at now the camera elements have like a round edge to it without any metal. It's just straight up glass, and it is a 48 megapixel main camera with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and fusion camera that enables 2x telephoto. This is a pretty good improvement when it comes to the main camera on the iPhone 16. It is essentially on par with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max camera, which was a really good camera. And so at a lower entry point, you're not only getting a very solid camera setup, but also the ability to capture at 48 megapixels. So I think for any like iPhone content creators, videographers, photographers out there, this is a phone that delivers professional level quality at that entry point, and I think that is always nice. Of course, it also has Apple's A18 chip, and that features a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU, and the battery life has also been bumped up on the 16 and the 16 Plus. As we take off the plastic here, you of course also have the camera control button, and this is a feature that was newly introduced for this year, and it allows you to control the zoom and different aspects of the camera while also holding it down to use as a shutter. Some people are going to use this more than others. I feel like a lot of times I do hold my phone in this mode and I'm trying to like press it down, so I feel like it's a feature that I'll use quite often. And even holding it like this, I find it to be very ergonomically placed. But I can also understand if some people don't really need or care about this feature that much. So that is the Ultramarine iPhone 16. On the other hand, we have the 16 Plus. Let's just go ahead and take a look at what this pink color looks like. And just like the Ultramarine, it is a bright and vibrant color combination. I think a lot of people are going to like this, but honestly, one of my favorite form factors has been the iPhone 16 Plus. It's very light, noticeably lighter than even the reduced weight iPhone 16 Pro Maxes after the titanium introduction, but very light, probably has the best battery life of the entire lineup. And so yeah, that is a look at the pink iPhone 16 Plus. But as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, check out some of the other Apple unboxings that I have for this week, and let me know if you have any questions. But that has been a look at the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, and I'll see you all in the next video.